Hello dear students, how are you all? Now it's time to do activity on pronouns. Now let's start activity on pronouns. So I have taken a out of 5 floors and here I have written heading activity on pronouns. Now first in first floor I have written he. So he हम किस किस के लिए use करते हैं? Yes, he for boy, and we can also write the name of boy. So I have written here Girish, Girish. So dear kids, you have to write G capital here. Fine. So I have already told you in the name of persons you have to write first letter capital. Now next you can write Ram, Rahul, Raju. Fine. Mohit. So these are name of boys. Fine. So in place of naming words you have to use the pronoun he. Okay. So this is about use of he in pronouns, that instead of writing naming persons, you have to use he. Fine. Now let us see the use of she. So as I already told you, instead of writing name of a girl or woman, you have to replace the naming words with she. आपको she के साथ उन words को replace कर देना है. ठीक है? Like रिया, प्रीति, सीमा, मोना, Sonia, Ambika. So these are all name of girls, or we can say name of girl or woman. You have to write in place of naming words, you have to write she. Here you have to use the pronoun she. Now let us see the use of it. So as I already told you, it is used for place, animal or thing. Delhi, cup, glass, lion, sparrow, book. So as these are all naming words, these are all name of person, place and thing and animal. So instead of writing name of place, animal or thing, you have to use pronoun it. Now let us see the use of they. So how and where we can use they, as they is used for more than one person. Fine. So friends, players, children, mom and dad, Raju and Preeti. Fine. So Ram and Riya. So instead of writing these naming words, you will use pronoun they. Now last one we are left with we. So we is used for more than one person, but here there must be I. यहाँ पर आपका खुद का होना भी ज़रूरी है. So like mom and I, dad and I, Mohit and I and Bhavik, like I and Uday, and lastly we can write here Sonia and I, as it shows that if we want to use we, so there must be you also included here. वी यूज़ करने के लिए पहले हमें उसमें खुद भी होना है और साथ में अदर पर्सन, ठीक है। वी हम किसके लिए यूज़ करते हैं, वी इज़ ऑल्सो यूज फॉर मोर देन वन पर्सन, लेकिन वी को यूज़ करने के लिए उसमें आपका भी इंक्लूड होना ज़रूरी है। सो डियर किड्स, दिस इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दे एंड वी। दे में अदर पर्सन्स, दूसरे लोग होते हैं, ठीक है। दे इज़ ऑल अबाउट पर्सन्स, ठीक है, दूसरे लोग होते हैं। बट वी यूज़ करने के लिए आई, उसमें आई का भी मेंशन होना ज़रूरी है, उसमें आपका खुद भी मेंशन होना ज़रूरी है। सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट एक्टिविटी ऑन प्रोनाउंस। नाउ यू हैव टू डू दिस एक्टिविटी।